I am trying to make this project as easy as I can, with basic tools. I started cutting the 2x4 wood to length using my hand saw. I will now cut the parts in half. Each part will give me two identical parts. This is known as a rib cut, since I am cutting along the grain. I will clean the saw marks and rough surface with a hand plane. This will make sanding easier later. Here are the parts that make the chair structure. We will start by joining the front leg to the back leg with two stretchers. Keeping the build as easy as it can be, we will use pocket hole joinery. Make sure you use ST438 screws since the material thickness is 4.5 cm or 1.7 inch. I will have link in the description. I used my pocket hole jig to drill the holes. Make sure you set it for the correct wood thickness. I start attaching the upper stretcher, making sure everything is square. Clamping a speed square makes the process easier. After that, I can attach the bottom stretcher. And of course, you need to make two legs. Next, we will connect the stretchers that connect the previously made legs. We will use the same process of drilling pocket holes and drilling screws. The drill is the only power tool that we will use in this project. We will start connecting the 1x6 bottom slats. I wanted to show a reveal. That's why I will use those nuts as spacers. Make sure you use the correct pocket hole screw size and to adjust the pocket hole jig since we change the material thickness. Roll a sandpaper on a block of wood and start sanding the surface. Make sure you tackle any edge to make the chair more ergonomic. This project is cheap and easy to make and can be done over a weekend with limited tools. This was the first episode of the chair playlist where I will show you many ways of building a chair, from simple ones with screws to a mortise and tenon one. The chairs are inspired from a chair that Grandpa did around 30 years ago, from a pine tree that he made logs out of. I use the same dimensions. Please subscribe to receive new videos.